Welcome to the Repco Know-How video on Repco paint and body repair. Your local Repco store has everything you need to prepare, repair and finish your car. It is critical to start any repair with the right preparation. Laying the right foundation will ensure you get the desired result and a long-lasting repair. And remember, skipping or rushing any of the preparation steps will only cost you time in the long run. Repco's wax and grease remover is used to remove grease, tar, wax, adhesive, oil and most chemical-based contaminants. As a bonus, you can also use this product to clean your wipers. Now, here is a rust remover and deoxidizer. Use this to prepare bare metal prior to painting. The metal surface is left chemically clean by removing light surface rust and cleans off light, oily residues. To be used on rust damage and holes, Repco's rust converter and primer helps to prevent further corrosion. It can be primed, filled and painted over to give additional corrosion prevention or sound deadening. Also in Repco's range of paint and body repair is a wide range of primers, fillers and putties for each specific job. And remember, follow the guidelines closely to ensure you get the desired result. Spot putty is a finishing putty perfect for filling minor surface imperfections and stone chips. It can also be used over other fillers to help create the ultimate smooth finish. It's also available in aerosol cans. Combining two steps into one, the Repco primer and putty can be used over filler or to repair minor surface imperfections and stone chips. Suitable for an array of materials, the multi-purpose body filler is fast drying, easy to sand and provides a tough and smooth finish. Unlike the multi-purpose body filler, the metal and fiberglass reinforced fillers are resistant to moisture. They are ideal for small or large holes when used with a repair patch. The Repco primers are designed to adhere to automotive acrylic lacquers, paints and bumper bars. We also have a handy Fiberglass Repair Kit which contains all the materials you need to repair holes and cracks in car panels and other materials. And finally, the products you need to finish your job. Whether you're painting or coating, it's the final step that makes or breaks your job. And there's a great range of colours in the Repco Finish range. And don't forget, Repco has a fantastic range of car care products in the Repco Clips range. So there you have it. Repco has a wide range of paint and body repair products to suit your needs. A Repco staff member is always available to help you make the right choice, so make sure you ask. Repco, what an auto store ought to be.